Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the wonders of nutrition and its impact on our health. Today, we are going to talk about omega-3, an essential fatty acid that our body needs. Omega-3 offers a wide range of health benefits, and it is important to include it in our diet. In this video, we will introduce you to 8 incredible superfoods that are rich in omega-3, allowing you to optimize your nutrition and support your body's well-being. So let's get started. Omega-3 fatty acids are known for their incredible health benefits. They play a crucial role in brain function, heart health, and reducing inflammation. Including omega-3 in our diet is essential, and nature has provided us with a variety of superfoods that are rich in this nutrient. Let's explore these omega-3 powerhouses. 1. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are tiny black seeds packed with omega-3, fiber, and various minerals. They are incredibly versatile and can be easily incorporated into your diet. These super seeds offer more omega-3 than salmon and are great for promoting heart health, improving digestion, and supporting weight loss. 2. Flax seeds. Flax seeds, also known as linseeds, are considered one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3. These small brown seeds are rich in fiber and lignans, which can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and cancer. Including flax seeds in your diet can boost omega-3 levels, improve digestion, and provide additional antioxidants. 3. Walnuts. Walnuts are not only delicious but also a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids. These brain-shaped nuts provide numerous health benefits, including reducing inflammation and improving heart health. Adding a handful of walnuts to your daily snack or meal can enhance your omega-3 intake and nourish your body with essential nutrients. 4. Salmon. Salmon is widely recognized as an omega-3 powerhouse. This fatty fish is not only rich in omega-3 but also a great source of high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals. Consuming salmon regularly can support brain health, reduce the risk of heart disease, and even enhance mood. Including fatty fish like salmon in your diet twice a week can significantly boost your omega-3 levels. 5. Sardines. Sardines may be small, but they are mighty when it comes to omega-3 content. These oily fish are packed with essential fatty acids, calcium, vitamin D, and selenium. Regularly consuming sardines can help fight inflammation, support bone health, and even protect against certain types of cancer. Don't underestimate the power of these tiny fish. 6. Spinach. Popeye knew what he was doing when he ate his spinach. This leafy green vegetable is not only rich in iron, but also contains a good amount of omega-3 fatty acids. Spinach offers numerous health benefits, including improved eye health, strengthened bones, and boosted brain function. Incorporating spinach into your meals provides a nutritious boost of omega-3 and other essential nutrients. 7. Hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are a plant-based superfood that is gaining popularity due to its omega-3 content. These seeds are rich in healthy fats, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Consuming hemp seeds can benefit heart health, support brain function, and aid in digestion. It's time to explore the fantastic benefits of these tiny yet mighty seeds. 8. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts may not be everyone's favorite vegetable, but they offer a fantastic dose of omega-3. These mini cabbages are not only delicious when prepared right, but also provide significant health benefits. Brussels sprouts are packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants, making them a great addition to your diet to boost omega-3 intake and improve overall health. And that concludes our exploration of 8 amazing superfoods rich in omega-3. It's incredible how nature provides us with such a diverse range of options to fulfill our nutritional needs. Adding these omega-3 powerhouses to your diet can have a profound impact on your well-being. Remember, a balanced diet is key to maintaining good health. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay healthy, and see you in our next video.